Do you have a white case on now?
Yeah.
Wow, that's so nice.
Changed it up, you know. Did I mention it's compostable?
Hey Pela fam, this is Amy. I'm back with your favorite, Nick Menez.
Oh, okay.
People love you. Did you see Instagram?
No.
You should have a look
I
at
don't
it.
really go on Instagram that much.
We did a plastic-free July challenge with cosmetics, and we thought we'd carry that through to this month and do skincare and see what we could find. Skincare was a little bit easier than the makeup, but still plastic is pretty pervasive. So we've found some basics that we're going to use on young Nick here and give him a lovely facial.
Man care. Yeah.
Man care for
Man
sure.
care.
So what we're gonna do is all the products that I've chosen have a little bit of acidity in them. So we're talking salicylic acid and some masks that will help get rid of that oil or clean it up, not get rid of it, because oil is actually still pretty good for your skin. Okay, so first we're gonna start with a cleanser. And the one I managed to find has got a metal lid. It's by Tata Harper. So this one does foam a little bit, but not too much. And it'll give him some nice exfoliation.
I've been waiting for this all week. And it's only Tuesday. Actually, my girlfriend Erin, she usually makes me sit there, and she does this to me as well once a month or so.
Aww.
Yeah, it's quite an enjoyable time. She's probably getting really jealous right now, so.
Don't worry, Erin, I'm definitely not doing as good a job as you. Ah!
Wow.
This is really...
So many layers.
It's like an onion. Okay. I'll give it a good wipe. So we're gonna go in with a mask after this.
What kind of mask?
Well, funny you ask. It's a resurfacing clarity mask by Herbivore. Okay, hold on. I have like spatulas that...
Smells kind of decent.
Sorry, guys. So we're just gonna... You're gonna look like a swamp monster. No, we need spa music.
Yeah.
Just the, birds chirping or something. What is it, waterfalling? We're just gonna give Nick a nice massage. And we just let it sit for 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Are you gonna fall asleep?
Okay. Just gonna sit here and meditate.
Okay. So next part of our video, while Nick sits here and meditates, so we're gonna take the mask off, and it will have mildly resurfaced his skin and leave his skin more receptive to getting the serums and the hydration that we're going to be putting on after. How does your skin feel right now?
Yeah, it feels pretty good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It looks really good.
Yeah.
Nice and plump and juicy.
Plump and juicy. Yep, that's me.
So what we're gonna do next is, it's just a skin mist. It's got a lot of good things for your skin. There you go. Skin mist. Following it up with a moisturizer. I really like this one by Fresh. Metal lid, glass jar.
Nice.
Good product.
Smell like roses.
Right? This is a gel moisturizer with rose in it. Rose is a natural humectant. It's actually really good for balancing your skin. You're looking fresh and renewed.
I feel good. I'm glad I came here. I was a little nervous about it, but it's good.
Go back to work rejuvenated. This is great.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you, Amy.
Thanks so much for joining us on this. I guess it was kind of like a plastic-free challenge.
Yeah.
And thanks, Nick.
Thank you, Amy. Bye.
Bye.